Hey everyone, this is Ricky. I'm back here in the garage. Adjusting the valves on this Kohler 24 horse 7000 series V-twin engine. What you're going to need is a 1/2 inch wrench for this nut, and then you need a T30, or not a T30, excuse me, a T25 for the little set screw in there. What you do to adjust them, it's very simple. I've already turned them to where I need to set them, but you turn the top of the engine. It's a lot easier to do if you take the spark plug out, which I didn't. But if you want to make it a lot easier to spin the top of this engine, it's easier with the spark plug out. What you do is you turn the engine until this valve is all the way shut, the exhaust valve, and this one is all the way open. See, this how this one's further back, it's all the way shut. This one's all the way open. See how loose it is? I got a filler gauge here, wherever it is right here, I just had it. I'm gonna set it at 4 thousandths. As you can see, that right there is tight, it won't even go in there. So, it's gotta be adjusted. Once you put that in there, get that up here, what you can do is take your T25. I'm trying to hold the phone and do this. Hold the wrench and then loosen this set screw in here. That way it'll allow you to loosen this nut up a little bit and allow you to loosen this set screw. You can hold this nut while you loosen the set screw. Like I said, it's hard to do with phone. Hold on just a second, I'll put my filler gauge in there and alright, let's see. Or you can use an index card. Basically the same thing. As you can see, snug tight in there. I can turn this set screw a little bit. The tighter I turn this set screw,